Hi there, it's Chris with WTI. This book has great illustrations, photos, and tips about sailing and maintaining the boat that I found extremely helpful as a new sailboat owner. It is said about sailing that you either love it or hate it. Well, I'm a self-taught sailor, and I began loving it after reading this book, Sailing for Dummies by J.J. Isler. I like that the book covers a wide selection of subjects on sailing. It shows you everything from how to tie the right knots to how you should dress when you take to the seas. One of the things I found difficult at first was when and how to raise and lower the sails. This book gives you detailed instructions on how to do that. My wife was apprehensive at first to come sailing, but after mastering some of the techniques of sailing from reading this book, she was all on board. There is a whole section on docking and anchoring a sailboat that I found very helpful. I sail mostly in the Great Lakes of Canada and found the chapters on dealing with changes in weather and navigation to be invaluable. We frequently took our grandkids out with us sailing, and the chapter on cruising with children and safety was vital. I'm convinced if you get this book, you will enjoy it too and find it very useful. But that's just my point of view.